The way we work is changing. Mobility, flexibility, multitasking, and working from anywhere are becoming fundamental aspects of our daily work life. That's why we created BEBLAU, a brand focused on designing smart solutions for digital nomads. All our products are carefully designed to solve very specific needs of mobility and organization of today's workers, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. With BEBLAU products, you can organize and transport items of all kinds and measures attached to your devices. Whether you use a laptop, a notebook, or a desktop computer, there is a BEBLAU for you. Working hand by hand with designers and manufacturers, we have achieved outstanding design solutions with an awesome quality and finishing. We are the BEBLAU team, and we want to make your work life easier.
Do you remember when every day felt like an adventure? The excitement of new experiences, discovering new places. There is a way back to that. Break out of the old routine. Feel alive, the warmth of the sun, the wind in your hair. Bring the fun back.
We're a small team based out of Santa Cruz, California. Previously, we successfully launched an electric folding, cruiser, and city bike. And now we're launching our most exciting bike to date, an electric compact cargo bike. We call it the PACKA.
With the PACKA, you don't need a car. You can bring everything with you, all while enjoying the outdoors and building an active and healthy lifestyle. Running errands, heading out for the day, taking the kids for a play date. Easily carry the things you need, the ones you love. You can pack it all. Choose from over 200 ways to customize your ride using PACKA's unique multi-modular racking system. With smart mounting points in both the front and rear, you can carry up to 200 pounds of cargo. With one of the lowest frames ever designed for a cargo bike, getting on and off the bike is a breeze. No matter what kind of rider you are, with its compact design, the PACKA offers the perfect balance of convenience and rider friendliness. Perfect for storing and making turns easy. The dual battery system automatically uses both batteries to ensure you never have to stop when one battery runs out, giving you twice the range for long riding with heavy loading. It's powered by a 750-watt motor using direct drive technology for high durability. Now you have the freedom to go wherever, whenever. Cruise up to 20 miles per hour with 5 levels of pedal assist to choose from and a throttle to use on demand. Safety is a key component in the overall design. The PACKA is not only incredibly easy to ride, it also features an automatic power cutoff when you brake, an integrated brake light, and a front light mounted to the fender, so it moves with you when you turn. Bring the fun back. Experience more with the PACKA.
Our goal is to make the PACKA available to as many people as possible. In order to do this, we need your support. So we ask you to back our campaign and tell all your friends and family about it. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about BLIX and the PACKA electric cargo bike. Happy riding!
Call Caroline. Hey girl, I just finished my run. You wanna grab dinner?
Hey James.
Hey.
Lindsay called. You ready to go?
Yeah, give me a sec.
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.